Hello everyone, welcome to my channel in another video, another tutorial about inequalities involving absolute value. So in this video I will be talking about two types. In the first part of the video I will be talking about the inequalities of less, less than or equal. We will be solving them and graphing the solution set. So pay attention, how can we solve such a question? So at the beginning you have to divide your solution into two cases. Unlike the equation, the inequalities will be having two cases for whatever inside the absolute value. So case 1 and case 2. For case 1, we will be taking whatever inside the absolute value as positive, with keeping the same inequality, and the other case we will be taking whatever inside the absolute value with negative, with putting brackets. We will be solving each of them alone. So it is one step inequality. You have -8, you have to add 8 both sides. So n will be less than or equal 8 plus 2, which is n less than or equal 10, and highlight this. Now let's go to the other case. The other case is so important because look at the minus outside. Do not start adding 8 both sides. This is big mistake in mathematics. So what you need to do, you have minus outside. So you should use distributive property. Distribute the minus, then write it again. It will be minus n minus minus, it will be plus 8 less than or equal to. Then I want to get rid of the plus 8 minus 8 minus 8. So I will be left minus n less than or equal minus 6. Then remember always, whenever you want to divide or multiply by minus value, then you need to flip the sign of the inequality. So divide both sides by -1. With this you have to change your inequality sign. And this is the other inequality. Now it's your time to graph it. Try to graph it, pause the video, graph it alone, then revise with me. So remember always, whenever you want to graph on the number line itself, you have to put the numbers on these digits upon your need. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And let's stop here. You can continue, but for me, until here, it is okay. So I want the number 10, and pay attention, whenever you have equal here, you will be having a closed point or circle. So draw closed one. Then ask yourself, what are the numbers less than 10? Is it to the right or to the left? So think of it. It is to the left. So highlight all the numbers that apply on this solution. Now let's go to the other part. We are having 6 and it is having equal, so it is a closed point. Ask yourself, what are the numbers that will be bigger than 6 to the right or to the left? So it is to the right. Color it with different color. Now your solution set will be the intersection between both of these. Open braces, and this is the set builder notation. What is your variable? N. Put a line, and we call this line such that, then put your solution. So since you have and, that means you should put your solution as between, as the intersection. So N will be between 6 and 10. Close your braces. Now go to the other question. Think of it. Previously, you know that the absolute value equation cannot be equal to minus. Now, what do you think about the inequality? Think of it. Pause the video. So for the inequality, it will be the same as the equation. So if he's asking you about the solution set, so here no solution can be provided, or you can write empty set. And how can you present the empty set, whether with phi or open braces? Okay, and that's great. So that was for including less than or less than or equal. Now let's go to bigger than and bigger than or equal, which means or. Following the same steps. Case 1. Take whatever inside as positive. Case 2. Take whatever inside as negative. And remember to put brackets, otherwise your solution will be not correct. And remember to do the distributive property. So it is multi-step inequality. minus 1, 2k is bigger than 6, divide by 2, k is bigger than 3. And highlight this answer. Then always remember to do distributive property. Minus 2k minus 1 bigger than 7. Solve this multi-step inequality. Plus 1 plus 1 minus 2k bigger than 8. Now pay attention, you will be dividing by minus. So think about it, what you need to do. Excellent, you need to flip the sign. Put it in a circle. Now let's graph the solution set together. So as you can see, both of the solutions doesn't have equal. So do you think we will be having open or closed circle? Think about it. Excellent. We should have open circle or open point. So let's put 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So both of the circles must be opened. Put it before you forget. Now let's go and highlight. I need the numbers bigger than 3. Is it to the right or to the left? It is to the right. Highlight everything. Now I want the numbers less than minus 4. To the right or to the left? It is to the left. So if you can see, your solution doesn't include intersection anymore. It is including union because you have OR case. So how can you write your solution set? First of all, open braces. You have the variable k such that you have to write each of them and with OR word. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Practice and write in the comments whether you need help, whether you did good in the practices. I wish you luck. See you in other videos. Thank you so much.